In this video, we will learn about class binding in Angular application. Here, we are using the same application that we have created in our few previous videos. The application is running on the browser. Here we have two input boxes and one disable button. Now, I need to apply class binding on the first text box. To assign a dynamic class, we have to use property binding. So here, let's write class. Here we have to provide the expression. For that, go to component file. Here, let's create new variable, my classes. Let's say success. The actual value of this success class will be created inside this app.component.css file. Here I am writing, say color green, and save the changes. I need to use this class in HTML file. Paste it here and save the changes. If I type any text in the first text box, see here the text color is green. Now if I expand this body and app root, see here we have success class. Now I need to use more than one class here. So in the component, here we can use multiple classes. You just give one space and write the name of your second class. Let's say height 40 and save the changes and copy this class name. Let's define this class in CSS file. Here I will write height, let's say 40 pixel, and save the changes. See here the height of this text box has been increased. If I expand this, see here we are having two classes. So in my classes, we can assign n number of classes here. We have to create new property in the string format. We can define multiple names of your classes here. There are multiple ways to use the class binding in Angular. So this is the first approach. Here we can use array also. Inside the array, we have to provide the item in string format and put a comma. Like this, save the changes. See here in the browser there is no impact, so everything is working fine. In some scenario, we need to use the classes based on some condition. So we can do that easily in Angular application. Now I want to apply some condition in this success class and I want to apply some condition in this height 40 class. For that we have to use object. We can provide the condition by using colon here. Let's assign this value as false. Save the changes and see here. If I type any text, so the text color is green. In the app root, see here we have success class only because its value is true and this class value is false. So this class only applied. Now assign second class also true and save the changes. See here we have both the classes. Okay. If I put false here in both the classes, save the changes. See here there is no classes applied. We don't have class option also. Here we can apply n number of classes. simply we can write name of the class and expression. Here, instead of writing true and false, we can also write like this dot is disabled. So we are using this property here and save the changes. See here, we have success class only. We can also use methods. So let's create one method. Here you can give any meaningful name and return type boolean. Here just we will return true only and save the changes and copy this method name. Here instead of this outcoded value I will use this method. So this is a method, so we have to use parenthesis and save the changes. See here we are having both the classes. This method will work if you are having more than one class, but in some scenario that you need to handle one single class. So in that case we don't want multiple classes, so instead we need only one class, so that is success. You just comment this line and copy this success name and go to HTML file. Here put dot and paste the class name. Here we have to provide the condition, so say true. So in the browser enter some text, so it is in green color, so first class is working fine. So instead of using this odd coded value true and false, we can get the value from component file. So here we can use this is disabled property, so copy this and paste it here and save the changes. See here we have success class, and if I type some text, so it is in green color, so it is working fine. Okay, now if I change this property value as false and save the changes, so there is no class here. If I enter some text, so the text is not in green color. Along with this Angular class property binding, we can use class that is provided by HTML. So here I'll write simple plain class. Here I will use second class. So copy this class name from component file and paste it here. Okay, in the component file, set this property value as true and save the changes. Okay, see here we are the text box size is increased, and in the classes we are having both the classes. Here we are using two classes, one class by using property binding and second class directly. Okay, if I enter some text, so text also is in green color. Okay, this is not possible in some previous version of Angular. Okay, you can check with the latest version. Thanks for watching this video.